The Reed family companies, we work providing you all the services that we have in-house. We're vertically integrated, and we're the leader in our industry in a lot of different areas. So today, the one takeaway, my goal is that you have a contact, a name and a face, that if you have questions with specifications, budgets, engineers' estimates, you need an employee either from George Reed or 7-Eleven or BSS or Emotech to come out and take a look at a road so we can figure out the right product for the right treatment on your street at the right time. Make sure you get that contact today.
The slogan for Reed Family Companies is better roads, better lives. So we add on to that with better equipment for better roads, for better lives. We have manufacturing here in California, about 90 miles south in Hickman. And we also have a branch in Sunrise in Minnesota. So we serve the entire world. We have equipment all over Latin America, China, Asia, all over, of course, North America and Canada as well. Jeff Reed really pioneered this whole slurry seal and everything coming, bringing the technology over. He didn't have equipment that could keep up with the demands of VSSI. That's where Macro Paver was born. We started out primarily making the Macro Paver. Now we've expanded to everything pavement maintenance.
Black rock slurry, it's really important. Aesthetically pleasing, someone sees a black road that stays black longer. But more importantly, it's the most superior aggregate in our market for slurry seals and chip seals. It's got the highest durabilities in the industry. There isn't another aggregate source in the state that has that type of a durability. And so the George Reed aggregate out of Sonora is one of the best aggregates to use in our area.
Learned a lot more at this one than the previous one I went to. Just the process, learning the process of how the slurry's made.
I particularly enjoyed seeing the vibratory testing system where it attaches to the roller and actually gives you an idea of the density of the material percentage-wise. Fascinated by that. I'm looking forward to reading the papers to figure out how that works.
So I liked learning about the fiber seal. That was a product I didn't know about. So you can do 2 layers of slurry to stop the reflective cracking. That was something I learned today. And also the micro grinding. And then applying a slurry on top. I didn't know about that either. So I learned both. I talked to, I think it was Tom, about doing a demo in the city I work in. So I'm pretty excited about that. Learned a lot. It was pretty neat also seeing how they mix the emulsions in the lab.
My name is Jacob with City of Lincoln. I think I just enjoyed all the demos. It's kind of nice to see how everything gets done, you know, all the machines, and just see how the work is performed.
My name is Jonalyn Espertero with City of Lincoln. Same thing with Jacob. I enjoyed all the demos that we've seen. Learned about different pavement preservation. And yeah, just in general, the entire roadshow was pretty fun.